Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to teach you about soot stain removal. This is common. You buy a new candle, you set it, on the counter, and you end up with soot on your cabinets or even on your ceiling or your walls. Well, my first tip is buy soy candles. They're organic, they're biodegradable, and they do not make soot stains anywhere. But this is what the soot stain looks like. You can see around the edge. It's kind of a dark, smoky stain. So you want to always have a magic eraser around the house. These things are awesome. They are the homeowner's best friend because they'll get rid of any stains that are on walls, cabinets, anything. You just want to wet it and squeeze it out, and you will be able to wipe the soot right off. It'll come right off immediately, right before your eyes. After you do this, if there's still kind of a smell, maybe there's a burnt smell, vinegar and water is great for removing any type of odor. So spray vinegar and water onto the stain or onto the area where the stain was and wipe it a little bit. Just let it sit and dry, and that will get rid of any smell. Be mindful of where you put your candles so this never happens again. Set them on a table that's, lower to the ground so that the soot doesn't go straight up to your ceiling, straight up to your cabinet or walls and make a spot. Also, consider soy candles. They're not going to make a stain at all. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is Soot Stain Removal Tips.